Hi folks, Bob from Fusion here. Today we're going to go over the XP Pro, the original model, and the addition of the new compensated barrel assembly that goes with it. This has been extremely well received. We released it a few weeks ago and sold many more than we thought we were going to. And we want to be able to address those people with the original XP Pro so that they can also have barrel assemblies that are compensated model. So here you'll see it on the XP Pro and how nicely the comp just fits with the contour of the front of the pistol. Just exquisitely. The CNC machining is just top notch. Okay, in this scene you're going to see the barrel assembly itself. It's a two-piece barrel assembly, all made from bar stock, all CNC machined, and it flows with the contour of the front end on the original XP. So it's a really nice design. Here's another example with a close-up to the front, how it actually contours with the front nose of the slide and frame. Really looks great, just super. So here's another top view of the XP Pro with the compensator, the new comp. And you'll see it's just really well done. One of the things that we're trying to do is obviously make very high quality pistols that average people can afford. One of my passions to leave to this 2A community. So here's an example of the barrel assembly right next to the pistol. And you'll see again, it's a two-piece compensator. So I hope this new compensated barrel assembly will help out people with the original XP Pros. We've sold a bunch of those and people really seem to be enjoying them, and now they're upgrading into our compensated models and that. But we wouldn't want to leave behind all our original buyers of the XPs. So that's why we ended up coming out with this design in collaboration again with some of our test teams. It's just been really fun working with everyone.